A.
Eyebrows.
A.
Ear.
Yes. A.
Elbow.
A.
Elephant.
A.
Egg.
A.
Egg.
A. Envelope.
Envelope.
A. What is it? Eggplant.
Eggplant.
A. Engine.
Engine.
A. Earrings.
Fire. Face. Fan.
Yes.
Frog. Flower. Pakistan.
Flag. Yes. Fork.
Hook. It's a plate together.
Yes. दाल से दवात.
That's a blood.
डाल से डाकिया.
That's a dakriya.
जाल से जखीरा.
That's a shakriya.
रे से रेल.
That's a lid.
रे.
That's a daddy.
Yes. रे.
That's a lid.
जे से जेवर.
That's a saver.
शे से शाला.
That's a shala.
शाबाश. Hadi, what is it? What is it?
Cap.
And what is it? What is it?
T-shirt.
This is shirt. What is it?
Bed.
Yes. What is it? What is it?
Curry wash.
Yes. Jeans.
Ginger.
Short.
Short.
Hadi, which shape is this?
Red.
And what is the color of a square?
Red.
Red. Which shape is this?
Circle.
What is the color of circle?
Blue.
Yes. Which shape is this?
Pentagon.
Yes. What is the color of rectangle?
Green.
Yes. And which shape is this?
Triangle.
What is the color of triangle?
Pink.
Wow. Stitches clothes?
Red.
Yes. And who sings a song?
Singer.
Yes. Cat baby is called?
Kitten.
And cat lives in a?
Bucket.
Yes. And cat eats?
Kitten.
Cat eats? क्या खाती है cat?
Fish.
Yes. And it sounds?
Meow.
Yes.
Meow.
And dog baby is called?
Kitten.
Dog baby.
Puppy.
Yes. And it lives in? Dog baby कहाँ रहता है? कहाँ रहता है? Kennel.
Kitten.
Yes. And dog eats?
Bones and meat.
Yes. And it sounds? Barking.
Pow, pow.
Yes.
Hello, Mama.
Tayyab.
Taya mane pa. Laila. Illallah. Mama there. Shoot Allah.
Shabash. Hadi, who are we?
Muslim.
Who created us?
Allah.
Who created us?
Allah Ta'ala.
What is our religion?
Singers.
Islam.
Islam.
Yes. What is our religion?
Islam.
Who created us?
Allah Ta'ala.
Yes. And who are we? Muslims.
Muslim.
टेबल में से कोई रेड चीज़ उठा के दीजिए. टेबल पे कोई सी रेड चीज़ जो है वो मुझे चाहिए. This is red? Give it to me. Yes. Come. आइए. मुझे इसमें से कोई रेड परफ्यूम निकाल के दीजिए. Good. और मुझे एक और रेड चीज़ चाहिए रूम में से. ये हो गया, ये हो गया. In this and one more red thing. कुछ और रेड है रूम में आपके? देखें रूम में कुछ रेड. देखें रूम में रेड. वहाँ पे नहीं, रूम में, पूरे रूम में देखें रेड. Give me something red. कोई भी चीज़ रेड कलर की चाहिए मुझे. Give me something red. कोई चीज़ है रेड कलर की? Oh yes. Oh it's okay. Thank you. और कुछ है आपके रूम में रेड? Can you find me something red? Oh yes, give it to me. Which is red? what is it? What is it?
पुश
Push pipe.
ऐसे ऐसे होता है
Okay.